Shalom. So this is Abigail Nyarko from your WEBTECH Code A class. Alright, so I'll put the website URL into a new tab, and this leads to a landing page. So this is what the user sees when before the user can access other pages. Alright, so this project is a movie recommendation website. And why movie recommendation website? So choosing a movie from the vast selection out there can actually sometimes be very overwhelming. However, exploring recommendations and also receiving reviews or having discussions with other users on the same platform can help users or movie lovers have a perfect film to watch. So this page does not just allow users to watch movies, but also have discussion page where users can ask questions among themselves as well. So without further ado, let's dive into how the movie or the basic functionalities of the movie and how users can navigate through the movie successfully. So first you click on this, and let's say a user tries to log in. Okay, let's see, the user tries to log in. Let's see, David at let me just use Gmail, david@gmail.com. David is okay, right? And the user tries to log in. So this does not allow the user to log in. That means the user hasn't yet registered. So the user would have to go to the register page so that the user can register. Okay, so before the user actually registers, let's say the user tries to sign up without registering. It tells the user that you have to register, right? So let's say you have to register. That means if you don't provide details, you can't really use the platform, or if you don't register, you can't use the platform. Alright, so david@gmail.com. Okay, and this also help users to not find difficulty in checking whether their password is the same or is different or know that, right? So the user can use the password toggle visibility to check. Okay, I think okay, to check, and this, after it confirms, leads the user back to the login page, so the user can now log in. And what the password? David is kind, right? Okay. Alright, so after the user successfully logs in onto the page, this has there's the home page, which has tons of movies that the user can actually access. It has a lot of movies that the user can access, and yeah, it also comes not just with the movie title, but also the dates that it was released, and also the overview of the movie, so users can read them and then see whether they have interest in them or not. It's actually, the user don't have to scroll infinitely. Alright, aside that, we also have a trends page, and this uses the IMDb API to fetch movies that trend. So let's say this is weekly trending movies, and you can see the trending movies, most of them are released in 2024. Okay, there's 21, but it's still trending, right? So yeah, users can access trending movies with the overviews and all that same thing. And also we have series lovers, maybe those that love the sort of anime and all that, or general series, they can also have access to this site. Aside that, we have the search functionality, and this allows users to type in whatever that they want to search for. Let's say I search for a movie that has God in it. So this, I tend to have movies with God, and then they also give me the same thing, the titles, the release dates, and then um, um, the anything about the movie. Let's say I search for David. Let's say I search for David. So I have movies with David in them as well, right? I have movies with David in them as well. All right, so we can move to the discussion page. All right, so this discussion page is very interesting because it allows users to create discussions among themselves, ask questions, know that, and users can access this. Users can use this to ask questions about movies or make suggestions and all that, or get great movies to watch. So let's see, someone makes a discussion on, let me just, David and Goliath. All right, so, oh, okay, well, okay, so maybe David is, oh, okay, David is a great warrior. Okay, so when the user submits this, it gets displayed on the page for, and this, it uses it's anonymous, so people that don't want to like show their identity and all that can use this too. And then it has the dates that you created the movie as well, to help, you know, when did I create it, what's the time. Other people can actually view this this discussions, right? All right, so aside that, we have the reflector page, that is a page for reflection. So this movie site actually doesn't just allow users to have fun, come and look for movie recommendations, which movie will I watch next during my summer break or during my vacation, right? But it has a reflection page where users can actually reflect over the movies that they've watched, and then see areas that they can improve upon or areas that they can desist from. All right, so I'll still use the David and Goliath scenario, right? So the reflection is that okay, David is great. Okay, David is great. Areas to improve. Okay, I will be bold. And then areas to desist. Let's say I will hate no one. I will hate no one. Okay. All right. So when a user creates this, and this is one thing about this, is that this is exclusive to the users. So it uses the user's ID, user's ID to check. So let's say if user one signs in, and then user one creates a reflection on this page, and another user signs in, the second user won't be able to access this particular page because it's a personal reflection to that particular user. So it's exclusive to the users. All right. So I'll sign out and make a demo of that to see that you not see the David and Goliath. You realize that, okay, it actually creates a new page for other users to have their own reflection. So it checks the user ID, makes use of the, or let's say the reflection page references the user ID table, or the reflection table references the user ID table, so that it can check the users that have signed in and compare whether it's user 1 or user 2 and see the page that it will display to. Okay, so this is it. Users can actually delete. Users can delete their movie. Oh, I should have downloaded first. Oh, okay, I'll download when I log out. Sorry, sir. So users can delete, and if I log out of the page, oh, I would have to create. Oh God, time. Okay, so let's see. Let me just. Okay. Username A. Okay, email. Oh, what should I use? Let me say Kwame at gmail.com. Password. Okay. Oh, come on. Password. Let me just say God is good, right? Okay, so let me copy this quickly. Submit. Okay, it was A Kwame. Okay, so that was for the reflection page. So let me create another so you see that this user doesn't have access to the previous one. Sorry. Okay, because I deleted it, but I want to prove that it actually doesn't have access, so that okay, so this is submitted, right? So let me use the download button. So users can actually download movies, and sorry, their reflections, and you can see it here when you open. Oh god, how is slow? Open. Okay, so users can view their reflection here. All right. Okay, so let me, since I've I won't delete this one. I already used the delete function. So I want to sign out again. You realize that the new user will not have access to this page because it's exclusive to the users. So each user has their own reflection page. Okay, let me say Kweku or Kofi. Okay, Kweku at gmail.com. Let's say okay. Kweku at gmail.com. Okay. Hurry. Oh, there's a Wi-Fi from oh, come on. Hi. Okay, let me do again. The network is slow. Sorry, say, but I may. Oh God. Okay, Kweku, right? Kweku. Ah, what if you registered? Okay, let me use a different. Let's say Amma, right? Amma at gmail.com. Okay, don't be slow. Okay, so it was Amma at where's Amma at gmail.com. Okay, so now when you go to the reflection page, you realize that this user doesn't have access to the previous, because it was made by a different user. So this is the major functionality. We also have a toggle visibility, for users to view if they want dark mode or normal mode. So these are the main functionalities of the movies, and this movie site or movie recommendation site will be a great one for every user to have. Thank you very much.